Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Tech Soldiers powered by DND. So guys, in the last videos we have learned some basics about skating, right? So in this video we are going to learn the hammer turning. So without any delay, let's dig into the video. So guys, first let me show you the output of this hammer turning. So guys, please follow the steps as I say you. So first, while you're skating, so when you want to turn around, so first lift your right leg. So if you want to take a right turn, so lift your right leg up and turn it. So see it clearly. When you are skating, put your leg front and lift your front toe, right leg front toe, and then turn it. And similarly drag this skate. So let me show you once again. So while you're skating, turn and drag it. So you can see it clearly, right? So when you want a right turn, you have to lift your right toe. When you want a left turn, you have to lift your left toe. Let me show you the left turning. So this is the left turn and this is the right turn. So guys, this is the technique of the hammer turning. So keep practicing it. So guys, this is all for today and meet you in the next video. So till then, take care. Bye bye.